Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of natural hypertrophy and unveiling some mind-blowing facts you probably didn't know. So grab those protein shakes and let's get pumped. You've probably heard of hypertrophy, the scientific term for muscle growth. While many people equate it with bulging bodybuilders, did you know that natural hypertrophy is achievable by everyone without the use of any banned substances or shortcuts? Let's explore. Let us know in the comments if you've ever heard of these facts. Fact 1. Muscle fibers matter. Did you know that there are two main types of muscle fibers, slow twitch and fast twitch? Slow twitch fibers are endurance-focused, while fast twitch fibers are responsible for generating power and speed. The secret to natural hypertrophy lies in activating and stimulating both types of fibers during your workouts. It's all about achieving that perfect balance. Fact 2. Progressive overload is the key. To unlock the full potential of your muscles, it's crucial to understand the power of progressive overload. This technique involves gradually increasing the demands on your muscles over time. By challenging yourself with heavier weights, higher reps, or intensity variations, you're encouraging your body to adapt and grow stronger, leading to natural hypertrophy. Fact 3. Nutrition is king. Now, let's address the elephant in the gym: nutrition. Building muscle through natural hypertrophy requires a well-rounded diet, rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Fueling your body with the right nutrients will aid in muscle repair and growth. So, say hello to chicken breasts, Greek yogurt, and hummus, your new muscle-building best friends. Fact 4. Rest and recovery. Fill in the gains. Contrary to popular belief, building muscle isn't just about working out day and night. Allowing your body ample time to rest and recover is crucial for muscle growth. During this downtime, your body rebuilds and repairs the tiny muscle tears caused by exercise, leading to natural hypertrophy. So don't be afraid to prioritize self-care and hit the snooze button occasionally. Fact 5. Consistency trumps intensity. Here's the golden rule: consistency trumps intensity. No, you don't have to punish yourself with absurdly intense workouts to achieve natural hypertrophy. Instead, focus on consistency and staying committed to your fitness journey. A well-designed workout routine performed regularly will yield much better results than sporadic bursts of extreme effort. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss out on our future content. Until next time, keep pushing, keep growing, and stay naturally hypertrophic.